Okay, in this video, we're going to see how Playwright can be used for end-to-end testing automation. First thing we need to do is create a Node.js project. For this one, I'm going to show what I did. So first you need to give this command npm init. It'll ask you a few questions like you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript. I selected TypeScript. And where do you want to keep end-to-end test folder? So we can say test, and I'm going to implement GitHub Actions. So I said true, and it wants to install the browsers. Um, there are three browsers supported: Chromium, Firefox, and Safari. So I given true for that. It'll create a project. Afterwards, it also install Playwright test package. This is the one. Once that is done, pretty much you are ready to do the testing. Also, it gives you a list of commands you can use. So I'm going to use right away get into VS Code. VS Code has got a very good support for Playwright, and I have a standard template field API name change TypeScript. I'm going to show it to you. This one, the use case is you're trying to change one field in account object API name. Um, uh, I'm going to show right now into the VS Code. You can easily see I am, let me make it readable. So I'm reading all my username password from a setting files in a dot folder here. So you can do it any way you want. I'm just reading them and getting the username and password from that JSON file. Once you have it, it is very simple. I recorded using the Playwright code gen recorder. So once you go to this page, login.salesforce.com, you click on the username and fill in with the username from our setting file. Then let me make it bigger. And then I this time I go by all labels, and after done by role, I get into I click on login button. Then as soon as I log in, I have put this arg in classic mode, aloha mode. So, and I click on setup. Then that I select the customize level 1. Then underneath you get accounts. I'm going here, changing, getting into the fields, and I'm selecting a field called number of leaks, leaks. Then here I am clicking the edit button. Right now, currently at API name is name lakes 5. I'm going to change it to 6, and let us see how it looks before running it. So I have a tool which has given us the, let me do that, go to our risk console using our Chrome extension, account describe. It will bring us into this one. I can see the raw graph. I can open it up. You can see that field name. Let me take this away. Okay, now makes this 5. So my goal is make this 5 to 6 using recording, Playwright recording, right? So let's go back here, and here I have made it to 6. So once this is successful, and I think I made it too big. Once it is successful, you can see that it created a folder called tests, which we requested. Then it also gives you some example spec, which I didn't use it. I bought in one called field API changes spec. So this is the test, and the nice UI. When I want to run this test, I can run it from here, right? So let's see how it works. And I can see that it will start up a new Chromium browser. You can see this one file setup, username, password, it goes, and go to that setting and see it change it to 6. And that's it. It's so nicely done. I can check this work by going to our Chrome extension and see whether it has really done it or not. Okay, it should be 6. It is 6. So simple. And what we have done is, to recap, we had a field in account object. It was name lakes 5 underscore c. I just changed it to 6 by this TypeScript. Basically, I go and locate that field, uh, num lakhs, and again I'm saying lakhs, num lakes, and then you just fill it up here, the new name. Suppose I want to change it to 7, and that's a simple thing. Just here, run it again. Now you will see 7. You can go and see this one getting filled up, running it. Okay, that's it. Now the name is 7. That simply is that. I will also explain in how to create a new recording in another video. See you in that video. Thank you.